This is how to transfer from Binance to your PayPal account. It is very fast and very easy. Let me show you. This is my Binance platform. The only way to transfer your crypto to PayPal on Binance is going to be through P2P transfer. For you to access P2P on Binance platform, you come to under trade, you click P2P. You can see this is the P2P section of Binance. When you are transferring your crypto to PayPal, that implies that you are going to sell your crypto to somebody that is your peer on this platform, and the person will now transfer the money to your PayPal. The first thing you need to do is for you to identify the token that you are going to convert to. If your token is not on any of this form, you have to convert to any of these tokens first. And for you to convert, you come here, you click convert. This is where you convert to different tokens. After you must have converted successfully from one token to another that you can easily sell to your peer, you now come back to where you can do P2P transfer. For you to transfer your cryptos from Binance to PayPal, you click sell, because you are parting with your cryptos and your peer will send the money to your PayPal. If you click all payment here, these are different places you can send your cryptos to from Binance. If you take a thorough look, you will observe that there is no PayPal. You can even search, type PayPal, you see no result. So one simple way to transfer from Binance to PayPal is for you to first transfer to ATM. This ATM, it is very cheap and it is very fast to transfer to ATM. The link of a video will come out here. Watch that video. You will learn how to transfer to ATM very fast. You can watch that video later. This is my ATM platform. As soon as you get your money to ATM, the next stage is for you to now transfer from ATM to PayPal. Less than 1 minute. For you to transfer from ATM to PayPal, you click withdraw. You click search payment method. You type PayPal. You scroll down. You have two options to transfer to PayPal from ATM. If your money is less than $15, you click this option. If your money is more than $15, you click this option. You can see you are going to be charged 2% for each options. Watch this video. This video will take you through step by step of how to transfer from ATM to your PayPal account. The link of this video will come out right now. That video will walk you through how to do just that. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, click the notification bell. You get to see when I publish my next video. Using ATM to effect that transfer will save you a lot of money because it is very cheap. Don't forget to claim your $3 free ATM sign up bonus. Ensure you also use my Binance link, which is below the description of this video. You are going to earn minimum of $100 for using that link. Of course, you are going to do some tasks. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, click that notification bell. You get to know when I publish my videos every week. Another thing you need to do for me is to make sure you watch the next video. You will learn how to use ATM to your advantage. And the second video will take you through how to claim free cryptos on ATM. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.